It's around 6:57 a.m. morning here in Doha. Yan, ganyan pala yung itsura niya. Galing kami sa dagat. From the city for a while. Tapos yan na po ang makikita pag luwas mo ng city. On the way back. Ganda. Walang katao-tao kasi holiday. Kaya ganyan siya. Yan, nakakamiss mag-road trip dito.
This is
Masarap.
the racing track.
For the horse?
Oh no, cars.
Cars. Is that the one where we went last time?
Yes.
For the F1 race?
Yeah.
Oh, that's for the F1 race down there. Yan yung truck.
This is the track.
Yeah, race truck. May madaan tayo stadium. Which stadium is this?
This is not the stadium.
What is it then? What do you call that? That's not a palace. It's a mosque? Or what?
No, it's a complex.
Complex sport?
International, what you call it? Circuit.
Oh. Ah, that's connected with the for the F1 race.
Yeah.
Is that where we went inside?
Office.
Or
No,
just the office?
This is the office. We went
Alright.
on the other side.
Wow, ang ganda ng ano nila, oh. Office lang yan, parang stadium na. Oo, grabe.
This is not
They're so
stadium,
mayaman.
this is-
Yeah, but it looks like a stadium.
Car park.
Car park! Oh my goodness.
Go
It looks
for
like $1 billion stadium for the to park the car. My gosh, so pretty. Oh, grabe.
Yung
Ang ganda.
yung unang asawa ni
Ayan na, city na ng Lucelle. Dito na kami. Ganda. Saglit lang po. Yan, makikita ninyo ng ilang minutes na lang yan. Yan, ayan. Grabe. Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda.
sa Danan Boulevard naman yun. Naku, Diyos ko po. Ang init-init. Nakapapa nga sila. Papa sila na. Bawal English.
So after the lunch we can go.
Yan, see. I'll go with the girls.
Then go to Seoul.
The cauldron.
To Seoul
That's a
Stadium.
cauldron. The Seoul Stadium. Grabe ang ginto, pakaskas. Baka yaman ako ng one day. Super ganda. Oh my gosh.
Lapit-lapit.
My gosh.
Hindi naman nila daw yata.
So pretty. This is where the big houses is. Yan. Sa kabila niyan, yan yung West Bay Park. West Bay Lagoon. Then ito Qatar University. Yan. Nakakamiss dito. Ay, grabe yung West Bay Lagoon, no? Ang mga villa. Sa gilid pa lang. Ah, di ba? Are we in the Middle East? Wala, di ba? Grabe yung pag-unlad ng bansa nila. Aha. Yan. Research area ng Qatar University.
We go straight left, right where?
Ah, we just go straight. We're going home, right?
Yeah.
So we just pass by this diplomatic area. We just go straight.
Straight
Yeah,
or left?
we're going straight. If you go there, you're gonna go around with the lagoon. So maganda. Enjoy na lang natin yung mata natin dito sa mga green dito. The green grass of hope. And diplomatic area na tayo dumaan. Oh my God.
Walang katao.
Wala. At saka Friday ngayon. Ah, prayer. Are you going?
Yes.
It's too hot today. Ang ganda, diba? Sinong masasabi yung ang Qatar walang puno? Mayaman kami sa puno. Oh, yan. Super. Well preserved ang area na to. Have a good day, everyone. See you soon. Beautiful people of the world.
Nagpunta sila sa
Ah, ang city. The City of Pearls. Akala nyo ang Pilipinas lang may perlas na silanganan. Ito ang perlas na tunay. Mahal-mahal ng perlas dito. See? Ang ganda. City view.
Still want to go straight?
Diba? Oh, yeah. So
I think the
pretty.
right is nice.
Okay, right na.